going on, guys? Rishabh here from Tech Rush, and in this video we're going to do a thought video of USB Type C. Yes, USB Type C is nowadays getting common in the market. So let's get started. So this video is regarding the thoughts of what I think USB Type C will be in the future, and now that it is being regularly implemented in the devices in the market. So I think that USB Type C is one of those the best ever USB implemented, because it is, number one, it's reversible. Number two, it offers faster charging and syncing between devices. Number three, your devices you have which support USB Type C and other devices which have USB Type C in them, you can charge other devices simultaneously and use the one device as a power bank with other devices. So, and number four, also USB Type C has great maintenance. It doesn't need repairing and constant care. So USB Type C is, these are the best four things I like about USB Type C. So I think more and more products have to implement USB Type C in them to take the advantage of this technology in the future. So, like for example, I have my Xiaomi Mi power bank, and over here inside this you can actually see there's one USB A type and one USB C type, which is the USB C type on this power bank is actually the main charging port. And even on phones like my Pixel and my only my Pixel supports USB Type C, and also other phones which I'll be reviewing in the future, also they will actually support USB Type C. So I would expect other companies and especially Apple also to go ahead and implement USB Type C into their own devices. Maybe Apple might be thinking it about in the iPhone 11 or the next edition of the iPhone 9 to go full USB Type C. Or, not 9, but I think the next iPhone 10, not the Roman numeral 10, but the actual 10. They might just go for the USB Type C. Like we already see USB Type C in Apple in the latest MacBooks or in the latest Mac, the iMac. You basically see USB Type C in that. Also in smartphones like Moto X4, Google Pixel 2, Galaxy Note 8, Galaxy Note 8, Galaxy S8 Plus, and Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, and even the upcoming Samsung's Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So all of these phones are basically moving towards the USB Type C standard. So I would urge Apple also to actually start manufacturing the USB Type C standard in their upcoming future iPhones. And also talking about Microsoft, also they should also start manufacturing USB Type C. Like for example, in their Surface Book, I see that it doesn't have USB Type C. It has the the pin connectors. So it's not very convenient, because you don't get, number one, it's not very easy to maintain. It gets dust, and sometimes it's very tricky. And also number four, it's very lightweight and it's very easily breakable. So I would recommend that companies like Microsoft and Apple should actually try to implement the USB Type C into their own products, and also other products, even simple electronics like mouse or the smart speakers or the chargers for the Bluetooth speakers should also, and the Bluetooth speaker itself should also be coming with USB Type C. So USB Type C is going to be, I think, is going to be the revolution in tech in the future, and it's going to be everywhere. It's started in around 2016, 2017-ish. It started there, and it actually is revolutionizing the way we use USB today. So in the end, let me know what you guys think about why and how USB Type C should be implemented and whether it is convenient or not. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.